Hanuman Chalisa, the boon of Tulsidas, will find a place in every home where it can act as a panacea for all challenges, physical, mental, or spiritual. Hanuman is the embodiment of all four yogas. His will, emotions, intellect, and actions were perfectly refined and grounded in spirituality. So let's chant Hanuman Chalisa with meaning. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nija Mana Mukura Sudhara Baranau Raghuvara Bimala Jasho Jodayaka Falachara. Having cleansed the mirror of my mind with the dust of the lotus feet of Sri Gurudev, I now proceed to describe the untarnished glory of Sri Ram, the most excellent of the Raghus, which bestows the four fruits. The four fruits or four purusharthas or goals of human life are dharma, righteous deeds, artha, material reaches gained by the honest means, kama, fulfillment of desires in accordance with dharma, and moksha, release from the bondage of worldly existence. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बलो बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. Realizing the inadequacy of my intellect, I meditate on you, O Hanuman, the son of wind god. Grant me strength, intelligence, and true knowledge, and remove all my afflictions and blemishes. Jai Hanuman Gana Guna Sagar, Jai Kapisha Tihuloka Ujagar. Victory to you, O Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Victory to you, O Hanuman, the lord of the monkeys and the enlightener of the three worlds. Rama Duta Atulita Banu Dhama Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama. Rama Duta Atulita Baladhama, you are the messenger of Sri Ram, abode of immeasurable strength. Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama and son of Anjana are also known as Pavana Sutta, son of wind god. Mahavira Vikrama Bajrangi Kumati Nibara Sumati Ke Sangi. You are a great hero of exceptional valor with a body as strong as the thunderbolt. You are the dispeller of wicked thoughts and a companion of good sense and wisdom. Kanchana Barana Biraj Subesha Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesha. You are of golden color and you wear fine clothes, you wear shining earrings and have beautiful curly hair. Hatha Vajra Au Dhaja Birajai. You have the thunderbolt and flag in hand. Kandhe Munja Janeo Sajai. Whilst the sacred threads across your shoulder is made of sacred grass. Shankara Subana Keshari Nandana Teja Pratapa Mahajagabandana. You are an incarnation of Shiva and son of Keshari, and you are adored by the whole world on account of your radiance and courage. Viddavana Guni Atichotura Rama Kaja Karibeko Atura. You are learned, virtuous, and extremely intelligent, and you are always eager to do the work of Sri Ram. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. You delight in listening to the glories of God, and you have Ram, Lakshman and Sita residing in your heart. Ram Lakshman Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. Ram Lakshman Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. सूक्ष्म रूप धरी सियाई दिखावा, विकट रूप धरी लंक जरावा. You assumed his form when you revealed yourself to Sita in subtle form, and by assuming an awesome, dangerous form, you burnt the city of Lanka. भीम रूप धरी असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे. Then you assumed a gigantic form and destroyed the demons, thereby accomplishing the mission of Sri Rama. लाए सजीवन लखन जिवाए, श्री रघुबीर हरसी उरलाए. When you brought the life-giving medicinal herb Sanjeevani and revived Lakshman, Sri Ram embraced you joyfully. Raghupati kinhi bahut badai, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही समभाई. Sri Ram extolled you greatly and declared you to be as dear to him as his brother Bharat. सहस बदन तुम्हारो जशो गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Taking you into his embrace, Sri Ram stated that even Sheshnag, the 1,000-headed serpent, sings your glory. Sanakadik Brahmadi Munisha, Narada Sarada Sahita Ahisha. The sages Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanandana and Shanat Kumar, Brahma and the other gods, Shiv, Narad, Saraswati and Sheshnag. Jama Kubera Dikpal Jahante, Kabhi ko bid कही सा के कहाते. Jama, the god of death, Kubera, the god of wealth, Dikpalas, the guardians, deities, poets and scholars have all failed to describe your glory adequately. Tumah upakar sugriba hi kinha, Ram milaya Rajapad dinha. You rendered an invaluable service to Sugriva by introducing him to Sri Ram and restoring him to the throne. Ram Lakshmana Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. Ram Lakshmana Janaki, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. तुम्हारो मंत्रा विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. The whole world knows that Vibhishan heeded your advice and became Lord of Lanka. Juga Sahasra Jo Jan Parabhanu, Lillo Tahi Madhura Falajanu. You swallowed the sun from a distance of 16,000 miles, considering it to be a sweet fruit. Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukhmahi Jaladhilan Ki Gaye Achara Janahi. Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukhmahi carrying Sri Rama's ring in your mouth. Jalad hilanghi gaye acharaj nahi. You cross the ocean, there is no wonder in that because of your previous deeds. Durgam kaj jagat ke jete sugam anugrah tumhare te. All the difficult tasks of the world are rendered easily possible by your grace. Ram duare tum rakhware hoot nagga binu paisare. You are the gatekeeper of Sri Ram's kingdom, where none may enter without your permission. सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू का डरना. He who seeks refuge in you enjoys every happiness. What is there to be afraid of if you are the protector? अपन तेज संहार आपै तीन लोक हाकते कापै. You alone are able to control your energy. All three worlds tremble before your power. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. No evil spirits dare approach one who utters your name as Mahabir, great warrior. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. नाशै रोग हरै सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. All diseases are destroyed and pains vanish when your powerful name is repeated incessantly with love and devotion. Shankat se Hanuman छुड़ावै मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जुलावै. Hanuman frees from difficulties all those who contemplate upon him in thought, word and deed. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. You fulfilled all the missions of Sri Ram, who fulfills the desire of devotees engaged in penance. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोह अमित जीवन फल पावे. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, devotees may have any other desires. Soi amita jivana phala pavai. They will ultimately secure the imperishable fruit, realization of the highest reality. चार जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Your glory prevails in all the 4 ages, and your fame radiates throughout the world. So, all 4 ages, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga, your glory prevails in all 4 ages. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. You are the protector of all the saints and sages and beloved of Ram. You destroy the demons, evil forces. अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता. Mother Sita granted you the boon that you will be the bestower of 8 powers and the 9 wealths. The 8 supernatural powers are Anima, reducing one's body to the size of an atom; Mahima, expanding one's body to an infinitely large size; Garima, becoming infinitely heavy; Laghima, becoming infinitely light; Prapti, unrestricted access to all places; Prakamma, realizing whatever one desires; Ishta, absolute lordship; Vasishta, subjugating all. The 9 wealth are the 9 types of devotion. राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. The essence of devotion to Sri Ram is with you. May you always be the servant of him. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावै, जन्म जन्म के दुख विसरावै. Through devotion to you, one obtains Sri Ram, and the sorrows of life after life are swept away. अंतकाल रघुपति पुर जायै, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्ति कहाय. At the end of the lifespan of such devotion, one goes to the abode of Sri Ram and is there known as devotee of God. और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई. All happiness is granted even to that devotee who worships no other deity apart from Hanuman. संकट हरे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमीरई हनुमत बलबीरा. संकट हरई, all difficulties and pains are removed for those who contemplate on the all powers of Hanuman. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई. Victory, victory, victory to you, O Hanuman. कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. As our supreme Guru, give us grace. जो सत बार पाठ कर जोई, छुटहि बंदी महासुख होई. He who recites this Hanuman Chalisa 100 times and performs worship as laid down in the scriptures is sure to be freed from worldly bondage and enjoy great, great happiness. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, होयो सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा. He who reads Hanuman Chalisa follow its precepts. He will become perfect as Shiva is the witness. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा. Tulsidas, who is always the servant of God, prays that the Lord resides in his heart. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप. राम लक्ष्मण सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. May Hanuman, who removes difficulties, who has all auspicious form and is king of the gods, dwell in my heart along with Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की, 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 जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।